Well, hello. Tomas and I are here at the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank, and we're joined by Laurent Zarate. He is the chef and owner of Fleur de Sel Creperie in Spokane, and also Fleur de Sel over in Post Falls. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me. Good to see you, Thomas.
You too.
And so we get to taste test some recipes from allrecipes.com. And the one that we're going to try today has to do with chickpeas. So many farmers grow legumes here, from lentils to chickpeas. And Tomas, you were able to go to a farm, right?
I was, and it's one of those crops that I didn't grow up eating a lot of chickpeas, so these kinds of recipes are always so exciting for me. You get to try something new and different that maybe you could incorporate into your daily life.
And to me, I didn't grow up eating a lot of garbanzo bean, because the recipe today is garbanzo bean, but with the northern African influence in France, we had a couscous dish with a lot of garbanzo bean, and of course all the lentil dish that I grew up with, and the best what the Palouse can offer us.
Absolutely. And Second Harvest, we're in their kitchen here, and you have volunteered here before to teach the clients of the food bank how to use maybe things like some chickpeas and how to actually
simple
cook
food.
those.
Yep, simple things, simple food, a little maybe less elaborated than the recipe we're going to eat today. That is a big influence of the Middle Eastern, and I think it's going to be delicious.
Yeah, so the recipe is called a Middle Eastern rice with black beans and chickpeas, and this is from Julie P. And she says that she got this recipe actually from a friend who is from Bethlehem.
Oh, perfect. Ooh, authentic.
Oh, right,
Can't
authentic.
wait.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
I like
we're
that.
gonna go ahead and make that dish, and then we get to taste it in a
Let's
second.
do it.
Okay, we now get to try it.
Cannot wait. This is the most universal food you can have on the planet. You look at the latitude all around the world, from India, North Africa, Mexico, all the islands, beans and rice. You cannot go wrong with that. And I love, it's a little spicy.
It is, it's got a kick.
Yeah, I like it.
This is the exact kind of dish that if you're just looking to just mix things up, go to something like this. It's easy and it's so flavorful and hearty. Gosh, it's great.
So some of the comments from people on this recipe, Frog Legion says, I make this recipe by leaving out the turkey and using vegetable broth instead of chicken. They have leftovers for lunch for a couple of days, so that's always good. MB says, next time I think I'll double the spices, and she or he used lamb instead of turkey. And then added some Greek.
Mediterranean.
Oh, completely. And
Added some Greek yogurt on top.
perfect.
Mwah.
Oh, c'est très bon.
Très bon.
This is delicious.
Well, thanks, Julie. We love it.
Oh,
Like the kick,
I love
too.
it. I'm gonna finish my plate.
To get the recipe for Middle Eastern rice with black beans and chickpeas, visit wagrown.com.